What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. So I know you're asking, why hasn't Amy gotten it together enough where she can do a cooking video, right? I'm getting there. You guys know I work full time and it's a little difficult for me to get everything done. So it is coming. I did make my first step though towards that. I took my very first grocery shopping trip to our local Aldi's.
First time in like 18 months.
Yeah, the first team in like 18 months. And we bought a few things to do a little cooking, and I'm looking forward to it. I'm still got some things I need to address, but in terms of shades and all kinds of fun stuff in the kitchen.
Pantry's coming along.
But we're making it happen, right? So join me. Let's take a look at what I got at Aldi. I don't go there very often, but I think I got some good deals to get this cooking kicked off right? So it's Wednesday. What's up? Let's do an Aldi haul. Eric got himself a Mama Criso's take and bake pizza. Sometimes when I'm at work, because he's working at home, he'll make this for his lunches. Okay, so I got this oven roasted turkey breast. This is like lunch meat. I'm going to try that out. I only got a small one because I've never had it, and if I don't like it, I don't want anything big. Eric got himself some Swiss cheese. And we got some Italian spicy Appleton Farms dry salami. I got some balsamic vinegar dressing. And I got some garlic hummus. Eric got himself a gallon of skim milk. Because I can't have milk, I got myself a gallon of apple cider. So then I got a half gallon of almond milk. Okay, so the fun part is the vegetables. So I got asparagus. I love these asparagus because they're nice and thin. That's the way I like it. They're more tender this way. This is a 1 pound package of asparagus. I'm gonna roast these babies up in the oven. I have a video on that. I'll link it above so you can try to make this. It is so good. I got some romaine hearts for salad. I finally got my salad spinner. I found it with the container that I store my lettuce in. So I'm ready for salads this week.
Yay.
Oops, I found some provolone for Eric. This is a bag of cilantro. I can put this on my salad too. And I got 2 things of mushrooms. I think I got 3 of these, so we'll be finding one as soon as we get to it. Okay, here it is, the other mushrooms. I know I bought another one. I bought some lemon. Eric bought himself some nanners. Looking pretty good. Chiquita. Got some tomatoes. Inspired by flavor. I got these potatoes for roasting from the Little Potato Company. These are little baby potatoes. And I got some green seedless grapes. Eric got himself some frosted shredded wheat cereal.
Fake brand.
And for breads, because I can't make any breads right now and I kind of smashed this, I got a brioche loaf of bread. Love their brioche bread. It's pretty good. We got some brioche hamburger buns to go with that ground turkey and the ground beef. I got just a common Italian loaf, slightly squished. I got some pita bread. I love making turkey avocado sandwiches in this pocket bread, so that's what I'm going to use it for. Got a couple crunchy taco shells. Casa Mamita. Eric got himself some generic peanut butter cups. We got some dry roasted peanuts. I got 2 packages of zucchini. I am a zucchini fan. I love zucchini, so I got 2 packages of this zucchini. I got some more of these little potatoes. These are just Boomer Golds, all one kind. I got me some Clubhouse crackers. Yum, these are pretty good. For some reason, I wanted some pears, so I got these. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I might just refrigerate them and eat them right out of the can. I got some croissant buns. So these are like buns that are made out of croissants. Rich, buttery flavor. So I'm sure these are low calorie, right, Boo?
Oh, sure.
Okay, I got a 10-pound bag of russet potatoes. I'm gonna make some potato salad this week, and Aldi's didn't have what I needed for this. So we had to go to another store, so I'll show you what we got for that. I got a bunch of jam. We got 4 containers of apricot preserves and 2 of strawberry.
Okay.
And I had to get my booze on. So I got this orange mimosa made with fresh squeezed orange juice. That might be kind of scary. I got some strawberry margarita wine cocktail in a jar, in a bottle. Thinking that this might just be like a quasi an overpriced wine cooler.
Basically.
And I got some sangria, imported sangria.
Not as good as homemade, though, is it?
No, not quite as good as homemade. We had some homemade from a friend, and it was amazing. So we had to pick up a couple things from another store. Eric got him some creamy peanut butter because he loves peanut butter and jam sandwiches.
Or straight out of the jar.
Aldi didn't have any onions, so we had to go to another store to get the onions. Haas avocados over there. They didn't have any at Aldi, so I got 4 of those. I got some mayo for my potato salad. I'll put a link up here to my recipe. And I got some olives to go in it. And got some pickles, kosher dills, to go in there. So this is my Aldi haul. This is my first
In-store shopping.
Yeah, in like 18 months, in almost 2 years. I have not gone in store. I've only done pickup. This is the first time I've gone in the store and chosen my own items. So this is amazing. So not only is it my first shopping trip at the new house, it's my first shopping trip since this whole thing has...
and sticker shock at the checkout.
Yeah, sticker shock too.
Yeah.
So cooks, that was my Aldi haul. I hope you have a great Wednesday. Stay with me and have confidence that I'm going to get this house together, because it's taking me a long time, and I almost got to the point where I'm like, should I like hire someone to help me? Spent most of the weekend, last weekend, emptying pantry boxes, and pantry boxes are heavy, let me tell you. So the pantry's basically just stuffed full and nothing's organized. So I need to get in there and organize that. We will have a cooking video coming up. I'm hoping, I'm going to say, if I say next weekend, I will shoot it. Then that puts me on the spot, right? I've ordered some shades to deal with a brightness issue that I have going on here in the kitchen. And so that's the only thing holding me up. So I don't know when's that going to happen. But in the meantime, we can have a little fun, right? With equipment and all that fun stuff, because I love that. So have a great Wednesday. And I hope you're cooking some fantastic stuff. Have a great week.